Have you ever thought about making bath and body products? The bath and body industry is a $44 billion industry expected to reach $63 billion by 2028. This super fun side hustle is an amazing way to bring in a little extra dough. And with our top quality components, we're paving the way for new niche brands like you to dominate the market. Just imagine curating and mixing your very own bath and body products, unique with your fave scents and knowing exactly what goes into them. Every ingredient is non-toxic, natural, and meets our made better standards. It's never been a better time to start that side hustle. And it just got easier with the Bath & Body Moneymaker Kit. The Bath & Body Moneymaker Kit includes everything you need to make 96 finished products. That's 24 units across 4 of the most popular bath and body categories on the market. This includes a body cleanser, a body lotion, a body serum, and a body scrub. You can choose from various fragrance and packaging options, and when you're ready to start selling, utilize our business building partners Vistaprint and Soona to create custom labels and product photography. Easy peasy. And we've even included our beauty batch book to help get your creative juices flowing and kickstart your product knowledge. Most entrepreneurs spend thousands of dollars to get started, but for $1,599, you get everything you need to launch a successful business. The investment of $1,599, you have the ability to generate over $3,600 in revenue. That's over $2,000 in profit without having to spend extra time or cash on research or product testing. Get your hands on a Bath & Body Moneymaker Kit today and come see what all the suds is about.